Christ Presbyterian offers a variety of easy ways for you to donate online right from our website. While here, you can also take an opportunity to complete our 2022 Digital Pledge Card and our 2022 Volunteer Opportunities Form. To make a donation, simply click on Donate in the menu bar at the top of our website. To take advantage of our new and convenient ways to give using Venmo or PayPal, simply scroll down, select which fund you'd like to make your donation to, select the frequency with which you'd like to make your donation, and indicate your donation amount. If you're interested in making a one-time payment, for instance, purchasing tickets for empty bowls or paying for your t-shirt order, you can specify that as well and attach a message to explain what you're making the payment for. You'll notice that there's a slight processing fee that's added to make sure that 100% of what you're intending to donate is able to go to the church. You also have the option to make a donation to GiveButter, the online platform that enables us to accept donations from Venmo and PayPal. Then when you're ready to move forward, simply click on Venmo. You'll open Venmo on your phone, press the Scan button to scan the QR, use your phone's camera to scan the QR code, authorize GiveButter to pay with Venmo for future purchases, and then return to your computer to complete your donation. You can now see your Venmo account is attached to the donation. Simply fill out your billing information and click the Finish button to complete your donation to the church. To complete your donation by PayPal, simply click the PayPal button. You will then be prompted to log in using your PayPal username and password. Then you'll complete two-factor authentication. Then you simply select your preferred payment option and click Pay Now to complete your donation using PayPal.